Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, one of the UK's leading installers of Starline security. Today we've protected this 2020 Jaguar I-Pace with a Starline Pro immobiliser. So the way it works, if someone obviously cloned the key, tried to start the vehicle up, it will start up as normal, but as soon as they go to drive off by selecting the gear, the vehicle will switch off, as you can see. So for the customer to drive this vehicle, they can either present their phone, which has been connected within Bluetooth range, so we'll just turn the Bluetooth on that. This can be locked and in your pocket. With their phone, all they've got to do, hop in, vehicle starts up, you hear a melody, and you can select your gear and drive. If the customer's phone wasn't here, or their battery had died one day and they were out, needed to get home, what they have to do, start the vehicle up, go through their push sequence, which can be between 3 and 21 presses. We've just left it simple for the video at 1, 2, 3. Hear our melody, and we can drive. The vehicle doesn't cut out. If the customer wants to change the code, this can be between 3 and 21 presses, and the way they do that is first ignition on, disarm the system, whether that be with your phone or the buttons. Then press any of the supported buttons 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll turn the ignition off and back on, we'll get 5 bleeps and it'll be ready to learn. So now we'll just teach it a new code. We'll wait for a confirmation and we'll repeat that code again. We'll wait and we should get the same confirmation. There we go, that's the code learned. So now we'll just turn the ignition off. Now next time they start the vehicle, if the phone's not present, what they'll have to do, start it up. Oh, that was within 10 seconds, so we'll just give it a little bit longer to set. So now we'll just start it up. No melody because the phone's not in range, no code. Pop the new code in that we've set. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we'll just repeat that again. So 1, 2, 3. Receive our melody, we can drive the vehicle. There we go. Once again, if someone obviously clones the key, hops in, doesn't know the push sequence, your phone's out of range, it's in the house, and they've done a relay attack or they've grabbed your keys, they hop in, go to drive away, they can select their gear and it will switch off. There you go. Lastly, if the customer wants to take this for a service, take it back to Jaguar and they don't want to give them the code or the phone, what they do, turn their Bluetooth on, hop into the Starline key app that they've downloaded, and when it's protected you'll see it's got a green circle. If you want to put it in valet mode, press and hold, that green will change to yellow and then let go. We've got 2 bleeps and now this is a normal vehicle, so no code, no phone. It will start, they can drive it around, do what they need to do, road test it and so on. When you get it back, just change that yellow back to green and you'll be protected again. 2 bleeps and now we're secure. So we'll just turn the Bluetooth off, give it 10 seconds to set, and we'll show you that it immobilises. Start it up, select our gear, and you'll see it switches off. There we go. If you want to get one of these fitted to your vehicle, we're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393 and we'll secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching.